Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Compass hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, usually on the driver's side near the footwell. Give it a firm pull. You'll hear a click as the hood unlatches slightly. Now, move to the front of your vehicle, where the hood will be slightly ajar, ready for the next step. This initial action is crucial for accessing the secondary safety mechanism. With the hood slightly open, reach your hand under the front edge, right above the grille. You'll need to feel around for the secondary safety latch. This is a small lever or tab that prevents the hood from flying open unexpectedly. Once you locate it, either push it up or pull it to the side, depending on your specific model, to fully release the hood. Now that both latches are released, gently lift the hood upwards until it's fully open. Next, locate the hood prop rod, which is usually clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully unclip the rod and insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood or in the engine compartment to securely hold the hood open while you work. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support hole and secure it back in its original clip. Gently lower the hood until it's about 10 inches above the latch. Then, press down firmly on the center of the hood to ensure it latches securely. Before you go, remember that life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description below for a direct link to this and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.